Apple keyboard. So let's open this up. Plastic. I think $50 for this. So you just open it like this. Here's your keyboard. It comes with USB extension. And then it comes with documentation. Warranty info. Surprisingly, no Apple stickers. Okay. The USB extension. I have some plastic on it. Like this. Okay. Now, for the keyboard. Stickers around there. There's a little plastic thing. Okay. Okay, sounds nice.
You still need to get the thing ready.
Look how thin that is.
Okay.
Has 2 USB ports, and here's the back. Okay. Okay guys. So, as you know, I did an unboxing video of the Apple keyboard, and I'm just here to do a review on it. So, let me just take out my mouse real quick. Okay. So, I love this keyboard. It's super thin. It gets cold at night when my door's shut, but it's all good. The keys are individual holes, which is nice. I type a lot faster on this. Now, I am using this for Windows PC, so like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the function keys don't work. Like, if I press the function key and the volume, it doesn't do anything. So the function key doesn't work. Now the command key brings up the start menu. Control and option work. Arrow keys work. Everything else works, except for this clear button. On the numeric pad, that is the numpad. Turn off, turn off. Why the hell is this thing open? Okay. Anyways, so here are the USB ports. Show me them. And it's a little, at first it's a little hard to get these in there. But I use my Dell mouse. I was using wireless one, but it interferes sometimes. So, basically, it's a nice keyboard. It works with Windows or Mac. I don't think Apple knows there. On the caps lock, the green light does turn on and off when you press it. So that's nice. The eject button doesn't work. The S13 through S19 keys don't work. On the Mac they do. The escape works. Okay. So, I'm just going to bring up the document real quick. Okay, so... Okay, Control A instead of Command A. I caught myself doing Command A and Command C and Command B because it's what the Mac uses. So it's Control A. Okay. Anyway, so I would strongly recommend this keyboard. I have this connected to the USB extension cables. I'm currently just going to be trying to get the mouse to match. So. And if you find any software or know of any software that can allow me to use the function key, please let me know. Email me at jman.jtm@unboxed.com. You can always watch my live video stream, usually 24/7, at jtmagnum at .web.